All right, guys, maybe you guys are concerned about the glyphosate that's all over your vegetables and your fruits, or maybe it's the cyclospora. Maybe you don't want projectile diarrhea. Recalls for this, recalls for that. They're saying that it's not good half of the time. That's why small habits like this is so very important for keeping your family safe and healthy. We're not gonna be able to protect our family from everything, but something like this, we definitely have control over. So one habit that we never skip is using a fruit and veggie wash that gets rid of all of the garbage that's on these things these days. For our home, we use Harvest Pure fruit and vegetable wash before we eat any of it, especially this day and age, especially if you're buying it from the grocery store. So what I'm gonna do really quick is show you guys a perfect example. I'm gonna show you what is all over this stuff. Like, what are they doing to us? Watch this demonstration. It's gonna open your eyes just like it opened mine. If you guys don't have an RO filter, this is the one that we use, Simpure. It does cold water, it does ambient water, because I'm sure by now you guys know that the faucet water is half the battle as well. So let's just start with some purified water that's really good for you. Then all we need is the magic solution. Super easy, all you guys gotta do. And here's another thing, is using stuff that's actually concentrated, because you can go to the store, buy a big old jug of everything, you're buying water. Buy the real stuff, add your own water. So let's say you guys need to wash the lettuce. It's not cucumber season, you gotta pick up some cucumbers from the grocery store. You gotta wash the cucumbers. Broccoli, yeah. 1 cap of this, all you need. Non-toxic ingredients, made in America, can't beat that. All right, here we go, guys. Look, check it out. Lighting, I got some actual lighting in here and make sure you guys can see. See how it almost looks frosty? Watch this. Dip it, regular water, and it's purified, and you've got the veggie wash right over here. A little quick spin, move it around. Okay, it doesn't take a lot. Now pay attention to this. You guys can see the difference, right? We just took off all of that stuff that you do not want to consume off of this guy right here. This one, you go to rinse off your vegetables and your fruits, you really think you're getting it off? I don't think so. Watch this. So, purified water from the Simpure. Watch what water does over our rinsed off produce. What's it doing, guys? Running off, right? Almost like it's got a wax buildup. Now that we have actually cleaned off all the garbage off of this, watch what happens when you hit it with purified water. It is absolutely running through the center of this broccoli. If that's not enough proof, I don't know what is. You guys think they're putting some stuff on our food? Heck yes, they are. Make sure you guys stay safe out there. Yeah, the lettuce, right? Oh boy. Steer clear of the lettuce is what we're seeing all over the news media. Same deal, you know, make sure that you're washing this stuff off. I'm gonna use this to wash off all of this, run it over in a strainer as I use it. Also, before I use my cucumbers, I'm gonna dip it in this thing. Use this stuff. And when you're done cutting, washing your fruit and vegetables, I use Solumel to hit all of my surfaces. I'm talking about cutting boards, everything. This is what's gonna make all of your surfaces safe. Non-toxic ingredients, made in America. I got a link in the description and the pinned comment in case you guys wanna get some more information on this stuff. Get your guys' homes safe. I've got a link to my website right down in the description, also pinned comment if you guys wanna get some more information on this stuff. This day and age, you have to be on guard.